Hello aspirants, welcome back to this new video. I hope you guys are doing great. So tomorrow is the exam of Pgcet 2023 MCA and MBA. So I hope your preparation is done and your revision is done and things are going according to you. In this video I will going to share you about the solving pattern of the question paper as well as the preparation for the exam day. So first we talk about preparation of exam day. So make sure wherever your center is allotted, try to reach before 1 hour to the center. See how long your center is from your place and plan accordingly, as well as don't go at the end or at the end moment and make yourself panic. So it's better read the instructions carefully in the hall ticket. You need to carry your photo identity card and your hall ticket and your black ink or a blue ink ball pen and many things. Briefly thoroughly go with the instructions of the hall ticket, and I hope you guys know about the bell timings and all. It is detailedly mentioned in the hall ticket as well as the bell timings notification. So go through it thoroughly, reach on time, take your seat in the class before 15 to 20 minutes of the exam, and make sure you be calm, okay, while writing the exam, okay. And this is about the exam day preparation and the solving pattern. I will tell you something about solving pattern, what I followed when I was writing the exam for Pgcet. First and foremost thing is, don't be panic, okay. I told you one approach to solve the question papers. That approach I have been shared in my last time preparation video. I hope you guys are aware of it. I will share one more time. What you guys need to do is, whenever the question paper comes to you, okay, you have to go with the 3 rounds, minimum of 3 rounds with that question paper, okay. The first round should be a scanning round. What happens in the scanning round is, you need to read the questions and try to solve in 10 to 20 seconds. Some of the questions is there, when you see the question you can immediately ask if you prepared well for the exam, if you practiced well, there might be a repeated question of one of the another exam, or there might be a standard questions there might be asked. So those type of questions can be solved in first round itself. First 15 to 20 minutes you can complete your scanning round. Scanning round in the sense, don't be get panic. First read the question number 1. If you know the answer, try to solve it. If it is taking a less time, then solve it, or else leave it and go to second question, third question. If you don't know till 10th question also, don't panic, okay. There might be some questions, there might be some difficult questions at the beginning for some of the question papers, and there might be difficult questions at the last for some of the question papers, okay. The question paper is shuffled according to the question QP codes, right? So don't be panic. On the first round, solve the questions whichever taking less than 1 minute, like less than 30 seconds. Some direct questions will be there, or some reasoning type questions that can be easily recognized to patterns and all. These questions can be solved in first 20 minutes, okay. Hence there is a chance of marking which any one of the answer if you don't know, but this option is keep at the last, because since there is no negative marking, you can mark any of the answer if you don't know the answer, but this should be at your last option, okay. Because first you have to ensure that you answer the questions accurately. First 60% of the answer should be accurate, which is solved, and you have a confidence that you can get marks from that particular question. So first at least 60% of the question answer should be accurate, okay. At the last you have an option of taking any one of the one option if you don't know the answer, okay. So first round, scanning round, scan the paper in 15 to 20 minutes. Obviously in 120 questions, at least 10 to 15 questions you will answer in scanning round, right? So this is over. Now the question paper is old for you. In the second round, in the first round only you get to know which are all the questions that you can solve and which are all the questions that will take time. So you came to know this, right? In the second round, solve that particular question which exactly you know the answer. Like, I know this method, I can solve it in 1 minute, or 1 minute 15 seconds, it's enough. You can take it and solve, okay. This is the second round. In the third round, solve the questions that are taking time, okay. At the last 15 minutes you can do if you don't know the answer, then you can mark any of the option. So since there is no negative marking, this is one benefit for you. So this should be the pattern, and make sure don't stuck in any question. Examiner intentionally put for mathematics section, it is both for MCA and MBA, okay. MBA especially aptitude questions, which will take more time because it needs calculations, proper calculations. So examiner intentionally put the sum of the questions where the examiner wants a candidate to spend his time there, waste his time there, so that he don't be allowed to solve other questions properly. So these were their intentions while setting the paper. So make sure if the question is taking time, just leave that question and move on. At the last round, you can think of it, try to solve. If time doesn't permit, you can mark any of the answer. So this should be your solving pattern, and be calm while doing exam. Okay, so these are the tips, last time preparation tips and last day exam day preparation tips I want to convey, and I hope you guys will do well tomorrow, so you don't have anything to lose. Don't get panic while giving the exam. Okay, so don't think about the result, don't think about the score, what score you will be getting, what rank you will be getting. Don't think about that, just give your best. This 2 hours performance is the most important part of your entire process. If you perform well in these 2 hours, you can get good rank. You prepared well, okay, you have practiced all questions, solved all PYQs, but you didn't perform very well on the exam, or you get panic, so this kind of stuff will happen, or you get panic, then you will going to lose your score, and you will going to get a very bad rank, like not good rank. So this is from my side, and I hope you guys will do well tomorrow. All the best from my side for all Pgcet 2023 MCA and MBA aspirants. All the best, do well, thank you.